Hi, I'm Sarah from Graco. I'm going to show you how to install the seatbelt trainer on your 4Ever DLX Grad 5-in-1 car seat. To install the seatbelt trainer, start by storing the belt guides by folding them underneath the seatbelt trainer. Unbuckle the buckle strap if the seat is being used in harness mode. Rotate the cup holders outward. Insert the locking tab on the rear of the seatbelt trainer into the slot at the back of the car seat. Thread the buckle strap through the matching slot in the seatbelt trainer. Using the rear slot, you will need to open the belt guide slightly. Make sure to close the belt guides after. Push the front of the seatbelt trainer down on the seat base until you hear it click securely into place. Make sure the harness straps pass through the openings in the sides of the seatbelt trainer and are not caught underneath. Check that the seatbelt trainer is securely attached by pulling up on both sides.